Hi everyone, I picked up a new service jack for the garage at the Canadian Tire today. It's Torin's red jack, 3.5 tons or 7,000 pounds. It lifts the car about 19 inches and it's rated for sedans, SUVs and light trucks. So let's do a quick review and unboxing. So out of the box we can see that it comes with a manual, a quick pedal and a two-piece handle, and the jack itself. So just to mention guys, the reason for this upgrade was that I own a Toyota Highlander as a family car now, and I just wasn't able to safely lift it with my 2-ton Husky jack. So let's quickly put it together. So the assembly is nice and easy. We'll put the handle together. Tighten this knob. Then the quick lift pedal. Make this nice and snug with a wrench. Use the quick left feature. You just press it with the leg and to lift it with the pedal with the handle itself. And then to release it again, just turn the handle. There you have. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you guys like it.